Alright, so it's day 2 in Foster, and at the moment we're just kind of deciding what we're going to do with the day. So yeah, alright, we're in the car now, and we're trying to figure out where to go. So this will be interesting. We're trying to figure out where to go. Off we go.
10515.
Watching Ethan's hardcore driving skills. Oh yeah.
Oh, I think it's one way.
Ended up walking to the beach. But it's so flat, there's like no waves. There's hardly any waves, they're pretty tiny. Okay. What do you reckon about this beach, Ethan? It looks like a bit of a mess. God. It's just rocks and water. Very nice. Alright. Ton of rocks now. Yes. I thought that was pretty good. This one looks worth throwing. Going for a walk around the, what you call it, the headland? Is that what it is?
Rocky Head.
Yep, around the Rocky Head, near the beach. Hey? No, I'm not filming the whole thing and fast forwarding. No. No, that'll take too long.
No one's gonna watch your vlogs because they're gonna be like 3 hours long when you upload them.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be ridiculous. Okay. This is gonna be a good walk. Let's see where we end up. Alright, we're going up the top of some mountain now. We've got Ethan in front, Liam behind. If I can get myself, me here. Yes. We're walking all the way up to the top as far as we can go. Could have a swim down there. Would be nice. Very nice. No, not at all. No, you'd be fine. Be fun. Be an adventure.
Dangerous, strong swimmer.
Yeah.
As myself.
Yeah, be an adventure. For sure. Alright, we're a bit higher up now. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's repetition of the same vowels up out. Same letter.
Yes. Okay. We're getting higher. That's for sure. Okay, we've got back from the lookout. And now we're going to find some lunch. Yeah. What do you reckon we're going to have for lunch?
Subway.
Subway, okay. We'll go find some Subway.
It's right here.
Oh! There you go. Didn't have to go far?
No.
Awesome. Awesome. Okay, got
just
meatballs,
worried
cheese, and
worried if I
barbecue
pulled it out.
sauce, Subway.
No.
Awesome. What do you got?
Chicken teriyaki with honey mustard.
Awesome.
Good old chicken classic
Oh, too
with
good.
barbecue sauce.
Too good.
Delicious.
Time to enjoy. Liam had to get a dog because
Just ran away.
somebody...
Did you save the dog? No, apparently it was the owner was already in there. The owner's in there.
Do you have the story?
It was running across the road.
Do you have the story?
I tried to grab the dog, but it kept running away from me. So I tried to get around to try and angle it back off the road. Move it off the road, but it just kept running to the left.
It's because some lady didn't have the thing on the leash.
See, this is what people should have leads on their dogs, and not leave them outside unleaded.
Yeah, well, it's a
stupid.
pretty silly thing to do. It'll just walk out on the road and
Yeah,
get you.
just walk out on the bloody road like that one did.
Yeah. So if you're in Foster and you see a leadless dog walking around, you probably know who owns it.
Some silly Asian woman.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Okay, we found a giant jumping pillow. Pretty awesome thing about Aussie caravan parks is they often have these pillows you can jump on. Oh, it's gonna have the shakiest camera. This is the time to do a flip, Ethan.
Don't do it.
Hey, Liam, that was terrible. You walked straight in front. You walked straight in front of the camera. Like, literally straight. Liam literally walked straight in front of the camera when you did that.
You can probably do it again. Do it again. No. It's your fault. You should have moved, Cal. Your fault.
What?
Missing everything.
Yeah, it's because
It's your fault.
Ah!
It's just gonna attack me now. What are you doing?
I have to use my feet so I can vlog.
No feet.
Yes, feet.
Okay, give me your feet then.
Ah!
I'm gonna have to like walk forward now.
What? What?
Gonna
I'll land on Ethan.
Yes, that's why I stopped.
Yeah, I'll land on Ethan if that happens. Let's bounce him, even though you have a sore leg.
Stop. It's gonna whack his face.
Stop.
I can only do this, like, literally. I'm jumping on one leg now because I don't know what I did to this one. But I slept on it funny. Ah! Okay. So, jumping pillow.
Can you stop?
It's pretty awesome. Belly flop. That's gonna be a shake. Alright, we've gone 10-pin bowling.
Got 2 spicy wedges.
Oh! Nelly. Can he get a spare? Alright.
Cal, how'd you feel about that shot, Cal?
Oh, it's alright.
Pretty good.
See what I can do with
Okay. Another spare.
Yes.
Cal's already won the sheet. It's right. I bowled 3 of Callan's ones, the ones where he got 10. And look, nah, he asked for bumper bars and he hasn't used them since it started.
Did I use them that time?
There you go.
Okay, done. How the hell I ended winning that, I don't know. Started off with 0, then got 1, and then started to go better, which was pretty cool. Our machine's broken.
Having a seizure.
It's not working very well.
Having a bit of a seizure, I think.
I don't know what
It just doesn't know.
Yeah, it just doesn't know what it's doing by the looks of things.
It's fascinating to watch.
It
See
is.
what other combinations it puts down.
Yeah, see what
So
I...
far, it's put down 3 different combinations.
Wow. Been about 5 minutes now.
Cal broke the machine.
Yeah, I broke it.
Something to do with the springs.
Pulling the ball in and tangling it all up.
Congrats, Cal.
Bloke trying to
What
fix
have you
it. My god. Alright.
If there's no excitement, you create it, don't you?
Yeah, exactly.
You just have to. You know?
That's how it works. That's the way well and truly sucked up that lane. He didn't fix it, so he transferred us over to lane 4, the next one across. Got some pizza for dinner from Eagle Boys.
Sort of rip off.
It was bloody expensive. What was it, like 20... what?
$11 a pizza.
Oh, so 33.
That's not that bad.
And that's...
Not that bad, but it's a bit of a rip off.
yeah.
Compared to other pizza places out there.
I still got quite a bit left.
Domino's. Domino's is better.
Domino's is better. So, promotion for Domino's.
Domino's.
Deal.
Unplug, sponsor me, Domino's. Please. Please.
Yeah, sponsor me,
I hate
Domino's.
this. Look. Eagle Boys. Yuck.
Oh, sponsor me, mate.
Sponsor, no,
yeah,
Domino's
bugger,
sponsor.
bloody
Yeah,
Shut him down.
yeah. Yeah.
Domino's, buy him out.
That's it.
Done.
Get him. Yuck. We've done vlogging for today. We'll continue vlogging tomorrow. It's going to be another awesome day. Alright, cool.